Cybervelo 1000W folding e-bike review, 30+ miles per hour beast, or just hype? Ever start your day pumped to ride, only to feel stuck with clunky gear, dead batteries, or bikes that tap out halfway through? It's frustrating, overwhelming, and a serious buzzkill. Instead of freedom, you get wasted time and broken focus. Your motivation stalls, your ride feels cut short, and that craving for adventure turns into another disappointing cycle. Now picture the pain doubling. Crushing deadlines force you to ditch your ride. Stress builds from unreliable commutes, and missed adventures pile up. That creeping burnout sneaks in when your bike can't keep up. Steep hills feel impossible, long trips get abandoned, and fun gets replaced by frustration. Every missed chance to explore or push further feels like freedom slipping away. Meet the Cybervelo 1000W folding electric bike, your breakthrough solution for speed, stamina, and style. With a 1000W brushless motor, 1500W peak, you'll conquer steep hills and hit 30+ miles per hour with smooth acceleration. The 48-volt 20.8 Ah removable battery delivers up to 80 miles max range, so your longest adventures become effortless. Its 20-inch fat tires grip everything: sand, snow, gravel, and city streets, with anti-slip stability. Dual disc brakes with ABS power-off ensure safe, precise stops, while front suspension and seat post shock absorption smooth out rugged trails. A folding carbon steel frame makes it compact enough for cars, apartments, or offices. The smart LCD display tracks speed, battery, and distance, plus a charging port keeps your phone alive. 3 riding modes, 5 pedal assist levels, and a 7-speed transmission let you customize every ride. One commuter shared how folding it onto a train cut his travel time in half, while another rider hit sandy beaches with confidence. Proof this bike adapts wherever your day takes you. The benefits stack up fast: streamlined commutes, rugged off-road adventures, and pure riding confidence. An e-bike performance analyst praised it as a compelling blend of power, range, and portability. An urban mobility influencer called it a commuter's powerhouse that folds neatly into apartment life while crushing city potholes with fat tires. A gear reviewer said, "I rode trails, sand, and beach paths. This thing never backed down." Even an industry analyst noted, "It exemplifies high-utility personal vehicles, making car trips replaceable." Real users agree. "The throttle blasts me up hills without slowing," wrote one. "I fold it, ride the train, and never stress about parking," said another. Weekend adventurers bragged about full-day rides without draining the battery. The removable design makes charging effortless at home or work, and its rugged build means stability at high speeds. With split riding modes and pedal assist, you're in full control of energy and performance. Why do riders rave about the Cybervelo 1000W? Because it doesn't just meet expectations. It flips the script on commuting and adventure, making everyday rides smoother, faster, and a whole lot more fun. Don't wait. Stock is limited, and demand is climbing fast. Thousands of commuters, weekend explorers, and off-road riders have already upgraded to the Cybervelo 1000W folding e-bike. Secure yours today before they're gone. This isn't just a bike. It's your freedom machine, your commute crusher, your adventure enabler. Act now, fold it, ride it, own it. Seize the ride, claim the speed, and experience the Cybervelo difference today.